Affiliate marketing can be a profitable online venture if done effectively. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you make money in affiliate marketing. Choose a niche. Select a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. It's essential to focus on a niche that has a target audience and products, services with affiliate programs available. Research affiliate programs. Look for reputable affiliate programs related to your niche. Many companies offer affiliate partnerships, and you can find them through affiliate networks like ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, Amazon Associates, and others. Build a platform. Create a platform where you can promote affiliate products. This could be a blog, website, YouTube channel, social media pages, or an email newsletter. Choose a platform that suits your strengths and where your target audience is most active. Produce high-quality content. Create valuable and engaging content that provides useful information and addresses the needs of your target audience. This could include product reviews, comparison articles, tutorials, and other relevant content. Insert affiliate links. Incorporate affiliate links within your content strategically. Make sure they are placed naturally and not overly promotional. Use a variety of link formats, such as text links, banners, and buttons. Promote products authentically. Focus on products and services that genuinely add value to your audience. Avoid promoting products solely for the sake of making money, as this can harm your credibility and trust with your audience. Utilize SEO and keywords. Optimize your content for search engines to attract organic traffic. Research relevant keywords and incorporate them into your content to increase your chances of ranking higher in search results. Build an email list. Encourage your audience to subscribe to your email list. Email marketing can be a powerful tool for promoting affiliate products and building a loyal following. Track and analyze performance. Monitor the performance of your affiliate marketing efforts. Keep track of which products perform well and which ones need improvement. Engage with your audience. Interact with your audience through comments, social media, and email. Building a strong relationship with your followers can lead to increased trust and more conversions. Stay updated and evolve. Stay informed about industry trends, new products, and changes in the affiliate marketing landscape.